If you are even mildly online, chances are that you have already stumbled across the latest obsession that has caught everyone's attention. Everyone cool is either flaunting it or frantically hunting it down. We are talking about Labubu. This odd little creature is everywhere right now. It has hijacked our Instagram feed and even celebrities cannot resist its charm. Labubu's takeover is hard to ignore and we can't wait to tell you more about it. Let's first set the record straight. Labubu is a girl, and here's where it gets even more fascinating. Labubu just isn't a random character that sprung out of nowhere. She's a part of The Monsters, a whimsical world created by Hong Kong artist and author Cassie Lam. This quirky universe first appeared in a Nordic mythology-inspired picture book trilogy back in 2015. Fast forward to 2019, the global toy behemoth Mart turned these creatures into wildly popular plush toys collectibles that have now slowly turned into a global sensation. Described as an elvish creature, Labubu is a tiny and a bit spooky-looking toy. According to Mart, she is kind-hearted and always wants to help, but often ends up doing the exact opposite. So why is Labubu suddenly everywhere? Much of Labubu's meteoric rise can be traced back to Lisa from BLACKPINK, who has openly declared her affection for the little creature on social media. Since then, its demand has surged and fans are queuing overnight, dropping serious cash and even fighting in queues. The vinyl plushback charms are the real collector's grail, but Labubu-themed accessories and figurines are also up for grabs. Today, the Monster series is Mart's crown jewel, reportedly raking in a jaw-dropping $419 million last year alone. According to reports, Mart's CEO Wang Ning made $1.6 billion in a single day, thanks to Labubu Mania. But when something gets too beloved, a bit of backlash is inevitable. In the UK, things recently turned ugly when an altercation broke out in a queue in May 2025, forcing Mart to pull Labubu from stores. So are you also thinking of snagging one for yourself, or do you think it's all a fad? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha to stay in the loop on all things viral and bizarre.